Hi guys, today I will explain to you how to create a new virtual machine, and of course that will help you to change your IP address or either other MAC address. So for that, to use it of course for a lot of things. So after download and install your software, the vMWARE workstation, the last version is 15, and you can find it in Google. If you don't find it, you can leave me a comment and I will repeat to you. So you click here and create a new virtual machine. You choose custom, advanced, next, next. If you have a disk, you can install your Windows from the disk. If not, you can download Windows as a ISO file. Browse, you choose your Windows. Next. If you had the Windows Product Key, you can put it in. If you haven't, you let it later. So here you can change this name. So for example, next. Yes. Don't show this message again. Yes. You can add some words here. For example, regime. You choose your firmware from type from here. Number of processors for me, I will choose 2. You can choose 2 also to work with the memory height width. For the memory, I will choose. I have 8 in my computer, so I will choose 4. I will give 4 to this virtual machine, so I will choose 4. Or 3, no problem. Here you will choose that. Use network address translation, NAT. Next. Next, you choose that. It's recommended. Next. So this is the last step, I think. Create a new virtual disk. Next. You choose more than 40. Don't forget that. If you have here 30, for example, choose the 60 or the 50. This is for the hardware. So this is the vMD key placed in your computer. You can change it by browser here. Next, and finish. And now I will install my Windows into this PC as a normal computer. I will choose that standard. Okay, next. If you have a ISO file, for example, or a disk for Windows 7 or 10, you will find a Windows 10 or 7 or the version of your own Windows. You understand? So guys, as you see here, the Windows is ready. Okay guys, and now you can use your computer or your virtual machine as you want.